I'm Vicki Corcoran from the Richard Byrd Library. Today's craft is going to be making bookmarks from pressed flowers. First step is to go outside and pick some flowers and leaves. Herbs will work too. This one is a mint with flowers. Look for ones that you think would look pretty on a bookmark. Look for flowers or leaves that are small, flat, colorful, or unique. Some leafy weeds will work too. Step 2. Press your flowers and leaves until they are completely dry. It may take a couple of weeks. I recommend using a phone book because the pages are absorbent and will help your flowers dry better. Place a couple of heavy books on top of the phone book to help keep flowers flat while you are pressing them. Step 3. Once your flowers are dry, you are ready to design your bookmark. Cut your paper to the desired size. Place flowers and leaves on your paper, but don't glue them yet. Take your time placing and rearranging until you're happy with your design. Step 4. When you are happy with your flower design, it's time for you to glue them onto your bookmark. Please remember, you need only a tiny dot of glue. Elmer's glue and a toothpick work well. You need to allow time for the glue to dry before the last step, which is applying the laminating sheet. Step 5. If you want to preserve your pressed flower bookmark, you can use sticky laminating sheets to protect it. Cut 2 pieces of the laminating sheet just a bit wider than your bookmark. I find it easier to take the side with the flowers and lay it face down on the sticky laminating sheet. Smooth it down. Try to remove any air bubbles. Then put on the second sheet of laminating paper. Later, you can use scissors to trim the edges to make them even. Great job! Your pressed flower bookmark is almost finished. Thanks for joining me today and making bookmarks. I hope you enjoy finding your own flowers and pressing them. Remember though, it does take a little while for them to dry. It might be a couple of weeks. Enjoy being creative with your bookmark designs. Have fun.